Dear students, today we will discuss about the parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. And before proceeding to the topic parabola, we discuss about cone. What is cone? Just like popcorn. When you eat popcorn, it has circular base and lateral surface. It means a circular base which narrows to the point, that is called cone. After that point, we will discuss conical section. Now, conical section, a geometrical figure having fixed point means focus and fixed line means directrix is called a conical section. Here are few conical sections which are is under parabola. Parabola is the figure like bowl in which we take tea. Now this is the standard form of parabola, standard figure of parabola. Here ace is fixed point. Ace is fixed point like when the face is before you, you will name it. Now Faisal, come here. When my nephew is before me, when I say he is Faisal, then it has height. Its face and its height will show that he is the Faisal. So there is no doubt about the Faisal because he is Faisal. Look at the camera. He is Faisal and its height, it will be in your mind. Okay. Now here these are 2 points, means fixed point and fixed line. Here fixed point is focus and fixed line is directrix. Fixed point is focus, that is a comma 0. That is a comma 0, and fixed line means x barabar minus a, because this is the directrix or fixed line and this is the vertex, and vertex is a center of focus and directrix point. When its focus is a comma 0 and this O shows vertex of the parabola, it means vertex is midpoint of focus and directrix point. Focus and directrix point or directrix line. Here when there is a comma 0, it means in opposite direction distance will be same. In opposite direction it will be minus a comma 0. And its eccentricity E. What is E? We will discuss about eccentricity separately. Its eccentricity will be equal to 1. It will be ratio between focus and directrix, that will be equal to 1. Similarly, after that we will move towards ellipse. Ellipse is like elliptic egg type figure. Ellipse means egg type figure, and this egg type figure, when it is divided into 2 parts, then it becomes a hyperbola and its eccentricity will be less than 1. But here, like Faisal, when I say he is Faisal, it means he is Faisal and it has height 6 feet.
6.1.
6.1. Its height is 6.1. It means when you see beard person Faisal, it means its height will be 6.1 and he is Faisal. Similarly here, without any delay, we must focus on that. Ace is the focus, its coordinates are AE comma 0. Without any question, we have to mind it that its focus is AE comma 0 and its directrix line, that is focus and directrix, means focus and directrix. Focus means fixed point and directrix means fixed line. It has fixed point, but in this ellipse there are 2 directrices, 2 foci, and two directrix lines. Similarly, two vertices, two co-vertices, and its center is at O, means center is at origin. Now its directrix is equal to A upon E. In next topic, after this introduction, we will prove their equations, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola, and their types. And here you can see this is the figure of ellipse, just like egg. And this egg is parallel to x-axis. When its focus is on x-axis, it means this ellipse is parallel to x-axis. But when we move like this way, then it means the parabola is parallel to y-axis. Here it is, because its foci are on y-axis. When its foci are on x-axis, it means it is parallel to, then the ellipse is parallel to x-axis. And we have to remember its vertices a comma 0 and opposite direction minus a comma 0, co-vertices 0 comma b and 0 comma minus b. And here a comma 0, then what will be vertices of this second focus? That will be minus ae comma 0, because O is the center. When O is the center, it means s dash it will be equal to 0 comma 0. Now here, after that, for hyperbola, its eccentricity, means ratio between focus and directrix will be greater than 1. And here especially we write here E greater than 0 and less than 1. It means E must be greater than 0 and less than 1. Eccentricity, its ratio less than 1 means it may be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0 up to 0.9. When it becomes 1, then it will be equal to parabola. Why parabola? When we change its size, when A becomes B, when A is equal to B, then it becomes a circle. In this point you can see here. After parabola, similarly, you can see x-axis, y-axis. When we divide this ellipse into two parts, then it's both parts. One part is to the right side of y-axis and other is on the left side of y-axis. Its focus, vertex and directrix line. All the directrix, vertex and focus are the same side of hyperbola. Similarly, on left side it has same pattern. When its focus is a comma 0, then what will be its focus? Minus a comma 0. When its vertex is a comma 0, then what will be the vertex of this a dash? Means minus a comma 0. And here this is directrix line, x barabar a upon e. Then what will be L dash? Yes, it will be minus a upon e. After this simple introduction, we discuss circle. If a ratio between focus and directrix when is E is equal to 0, here you can see this is the center, and here it is a comma 0, 0 comma b. When a is equal to b, then it becomes circle, and we will find its ratio by this way. In ellipse, E is equal to a square minus b square upon a. When a is equal to b, means a is equal to b, a square minus a square means 0, 0 upon a means 0. If E is equal to 0, then it becomes a circle. Similarly, a straight line has no end. A straight line has no end. If its eccentricity tends to infinity, then the conic or the curve is called a straight line. Pause.
स्टार्ट।
अच्छा, एक दिलचस्प बात बता दूं, ये जो 4 हाइपरबोला के फिगर्स हैं उनके बारे में आप देखें कि अगर ये इसको हम बाउल यानी प्याला कहते हैं, अगर इन चारों में से देखें तो आपको चाय कौन से बाउल में मिल सकती है? इसमें नहीं, इसमें नहीं, इसमें तो बिल्कुल नहीं, इसमें मिल सकती है। तो 78 का किस्सा बता दूं कि मेरे अंकल जब 78 में मीरपुर ख़ास में एक स्कूल में प्राइमरी टीचर तौर पे भर्ती हुए, तो वहाँ पर जब वो गए तो उनको चाय की केतली और कप, उनमें जब चाय दी गई तो उन्होंने जब इस तरह से कप रखा तो उनको 5 के करीब उन्होंने 5 बार चाय ऑफ़र की। उसके बाद उन्होंने क्या किया कि क्योंकि वहाँ की रवायत थी कि जब तक कप को उल्टा नहीं रखेंगे तो चाय जो है वो उनको मिलती जाएगी। इसी तरह से उन्होंने क्या किया कि कप इस तरह से या इस तरह से रख दिया, और फिर वो परेशान हो गए। उन्होंने पूछा कि ये क्या है, तो उन्होंने कहा कि अगर है तो दें, नहीं तो बस मैं आप लोगों की रवायत को समझ चुका हूँ। तो इसमें यानी कि हमें अगर सुबह के टाइम पे चाय मिलेगी तो ऐसे कप में मिल सकती है, और इस कप में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं। अब हम इसमें देखें कि ये जो हमारे पास पैराबोलिक फिगर है नंबर 1, इसमें ये जो a,0 यानी कि फोकस है। अब इसकी जो 0 से उस तरफ जो डिस्टेंस है अप टू a, तो ये पॉजिटिव डिस्टेंस है, यानी ये a ग्रेटर देन 0, a ग्रेटर देन 0 हो गया। तो इसकी इक्वेशन जो है, क्योंकि ये पैरेलल ये जो प्याला है, पैराबोला है, ये पैरेलल तो किसके है? y एक्सिस के, तो ये हो जाएगा y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4ax। और इसी तरह से अगर हम ये देखें कि ये टू द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ है, तो इसको भी हम क्या करेंगे? -a,0। तो ये a लेस देन 0 लिखेंगे तो इसकी इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगी? y स्क्वायर माइनस 4ax। अब हम ये देख रहे हैं कि क्योंकि फोकस अलॉन्ग एक्स एक्सिस है तो y का वैल्यू 0 हो गया, और सेंटर ओरिजिन पे, सेंटर वो देखें ओरिजिन पे होना चाहिए, इन सब में सेंटर ओरिजिन पे है। और ऐसे ही 4 और जो पैराबोला हम लेंगे तो वो उसका सेंटर वर्टेक्स जो है वो ओरिजिन पे है, और जो दूसरे होंगे अगर वर्टेक्स ओरिजिन पे नहीं होगा तो उसकी इक्वेशन चेंज हो जाएगी। और इसमें देखें इसका फोकस क्या है? 0,a, और इसका फोकस क्या हो जाएगा? 0,-a। अब हम इसमें देख सकते हैं कि ये जो प्याला है यानी कि पैराबोला है, ये पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस है। अगर पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस है तो इसकी इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगी? एक्स स्क्वायर बराबर 4ay विद a ग्रेटर देन 0 बट along y एक्सिस। और इसमें ये भी प्याला जो है पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस है, तो इसका भी हो जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू -4ay विद a लेस देन 0। -a लेस देन 0 नहीं लिखेंगे। For the definition of parabola, we first define, then we will prove its eccentricity e equal to 1, then we will prove its equation. Now here this is the figure of parabola. You are already familiar with this type of figure. Now you can see this is the focus, this is directrix point, and this is vertex at origin, and this is the moving point P. Now what is the definition of parabola? If ratio between focus and the directrix and this is the directrix, ratio between focus and directrix, and we consider it as m. Here it is minus a along this y-axis. Along y-axis, x component is same, minus a comma. Here its moving point is x comma y. Focus is this, and here minus a comma y. Here you can see, keep in your mind that PM, distance from this point, moving point P, which is on conical section parabola, to directrix it must be perpendicular. If ratio between focus and directrix from the moving point P is equal to 1, it means its ratio, this is equal to 1. It means PS must be equal to PM. How it is possible? We will discuss this proof in this topic. Now we are going to prove that E is equal to 1. It means how it is equal to 1. Simply, if we consider here ratio means E. This is PS by PM. When this point P moves to O, then it means M also moves to N. And here you can see this vertex is midpoint of focus and directrix point. When O is the midpoint of focus and directrix point, it means OS will be equal to ON. Now PS, when P moves to O, then PS becomes OS and PM becomes ON and PM becomes ON. When O is the midpoint of focus and directrix point, then it means OS is equal to ON. When we divide ON by ON, it means it is equal to 1. Simply, without taking components or without analyzing coordinates, by geometrically we will find E is equal to 1. And here, prove that E is equal to 1. Let P be moving point, S be the focus, let S be the focus, O be the vertex, and N be the directrix point. P be moving point, P be moving point, and here ratio between focus from moving point focus to directrix line, PM. Without taking coordinates, according to condition of parabola, E is equal to PS upon we have to prove that E equal to 1. According to condition, E is ratio between focus and directrix line, PS upon PM. When P moves to Q, when P moves to another point Q, then we join QS, and here we take another point T. It means when P moves to Q, then PS becomes QS. When M moves to T, then PM becomes QT. When Q will move to O, then QS becomes OS. When M moves to T, then means QT is equal to OA. Here PS upon PM. When P moves to Q, when P moves to Q, then PS becomes QS. P is equal to QS. Similarly, then when P moves to Q, similarly M moves to T. A ratio will be in this form QS ratio QT, and QT is equal to PA. QPM becomes QT. In next phase we will write PS means QS and PM means QT. When Q moves to S, then QS becomes OS. When Q moves to O, then QS equal to OS, and QT equal to ON. It will be QS OS and QT ON. Now it is quite clear that in parabola, vertex is the midpoint of focus and directrix point. When O is the midpoint of S and N, O is midpoint of NS. Then when O is midpoint of NS, then OS is equal to ON. In any parabola, E must be equal to 1.